Pack. Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Heron Bay local and long-distance movers. Near me. A long-distance move is more than 50 miles away from your current address. You will encounter a lot of problems if you are moving over long distances without professional assistance. You may experience delays in getting your items, and most times, your belongings are prone to damages. It affects how smooth settling down will be. With 3 men and a truck in charge of your long-distance move, you won't have to worry about anything going wrong. We transport all of your belongings to your new address on time. Our movers are experts, and our moving trucks are capable of transporting heavy objects over long distances. Our drivers are well-trained and move your belongings to the destination on time. Our insurance policies cover risks during the move. Our local moving services are also fast and highly efficient. We know all of the city's quickest and safest routes, which makes us the ideal choice if you need to relocate quickly or require movers who can complete the relocation process in a short period. Our contact lines are always open, so you will get an immediate response when you contact us. Also, we offer the most affordable local moves in Heron Bay, Georgia. We charge hourly rates that go as low as $30 to $40. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Heron Bay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.